Are you looking for pastel videos that demonstrate how to take you from a beginner to advanced artist? Hi everyone, I'm Rita Ginsberg. I'm a pastel artist and I love to share my knowledge with you on YouTube. I began my YouTube channel as a way to record the step-by-step processes I took to paint with pastels and help others avoid some of the struggles of learning on your own. Whether your passion is pet portraits, wildlife, landscapes, seascapes, I'm glad you found my channel. Pastels are my favorite medium of choice. I really love a more realistic style of painting, and I demonstrate pet portrait commissions on my channel along with wildlife and seascapes. If you love to draw or paint but don't know where to start with pastels, join me as I share my techniques and tips I have learned over the years and take you through the basics straight to the finest details. Please subscribe and join me weekly on YouTube for new videos. Thank you.